Alright, Eastern bike check. Just updating it as much as possible. Okay. It's just mostly everything's stock. I'm just gonna tell you what's new. The Edwin De La Rosa grips. You know, pretty nice grips. And bar ends. I got animal stripe seat. I actually like it. It's not that much heavier than the stock seat, which is all hard plastic. I'll show you now. Pretty much it. And this is about 8 ounces, and that one's 10. It's not that much weight. Stock crank arms and pedals, whatever. Eastern Medusa sprocket. 9T back, 25T in the front. Got an animal back tire. Whatever. It's nice and light. It's not heavy at all. Just carry it with one arm. Whatever. So you guys get it. Please comment. People who watch my videos, you guys can comment. Comment. Tell me what you think.